Okay, out here this morning, a couple hours. I've been working on this, doing a little printing. I've been taping off some track for paint. What I did is I opened up my spare box of track here, and I took out all my straights that I had in there. I figure before I climb up on the table and start ripping stuff apart, I'll get these painted, and then as I pull up back there, I can just replace it with already painted. So I'm trying to save myself some crawling around on the table. I've been looking at this corner. I may add a couple of straight pieces back there where that billboard is in the light tower to bring that turn all the way over here and get rid of this elevated section right here. Get rid of this elevated section and have that flat all the way over here. We'll see. You don't really know until you start moving track pieces around what's going to work. So I've got 2 more of the metal, 3 more of the metal strips to get out. I took the ones out that I could reach standing here. Those I'll have to get up from the table to do. I got to tear the pit lane out over there. Just a little update. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you later.